bedrooms really didn't have any space at all. I also thought that the layout was really weird. Like both bathrooms were on one end, but 2 of the bedrooms were on the complete other end. Also, the kitchen was small. There was hardly a living room. And for me personally, I really want, if not need, a building that has an elevator and and I've also really gotten used to having a gym in the building. It's just so nice. Like I don't want to have to worry about going outside to get to the gym, especially when it's New York winter, because I just like don't want to go outside when it's winter in New York. And so you don't tend to find buildings like that in West Village, because in West Village it's almost always like really old, classic, quintessential walk-ups, which are just like, there are a lot of people who love walk-ups. I get it, like they're super charming and quaint and cute. It's just not my vibe. But West Village is a great neighborhood. It's like a great place to live. It's in walking distance to like literally every possible place. I swear I always end up in West Village for when I'm meeting up with my friends for food or for drinks or for anything. Literally West Village is just like the cutest place. So it's a great place to live, but in order to have like such an ideal location, you definitely have to sacrifice on the actual facilities of the apartment. And for me, one thing in New York is when you're renting, you have to sacrifice on certain things. Like you can either have a lot of space or you can have a lot of light. You usually can't have both. Or you could have a really modern, nice building, or you could have a really nice location. And West Village is probably more location. I personally am probably more for like having a really nice building. So yeah, I just don't know if West Village is like the place for me personally, but cute neighborhood, just not the apartment for us. That's it for now. I'm sure I'll be looking for apartments, like actual places to live in, sometime soon in the next year or so. So stay tuned for those if you like looking at Manhattan apartments, because honestly, I just love seeing apartment tours. I don't know why. I think I like imagining how other people live maybe. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you again soon.